Knock, knock.
Who's there? Your next home in Strasburg.
As you step inside, you'll notice this corner unit has been refreshed with all new flooring and fresh paint throughout. There's a convenient powder room just off the living room and a space that opens right into an eat-in kitchen, featuring granite countertops and all new appliances. Head upstairs where you'll find 3 comfortable bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a spacious primary suite. Need additional space? The walkout basement offers a finished rec room, perfect for a home office, gym, or movie space. Plus, there's a separate utility and storage room.
If you would like to tour 200 Cannon Court, Strasburg, give me a call. I'm Amanda Downs with LPT Realty.